Alright.
Do we speak into here?
That's just a prop.
Hello! You son of a... Okay.
No, that is absolutely not an animal. That sounds fake. Is it a bird? It must be some kind of bird. That that must be like an Australian bird or something.
Sounds like my girlfriend. After I ate the last piece of chocolate, and she is pissed.
Where's the chew toy? That's a thing?
It's the internet, man.
Oh, baby playing with one of those door stopper things. Yeah! Yeah! That is like my whole childhood.
Yeah, did you ever get your fingers caught in them?
Oh, absolutely. And you're like, ah, the humanity. Yeah.
What kind of lamb makes that sound?
Race cars, lasers, aeroplanes. It's a duck blur. Might solve a mystery or rewrite history.
DuckTales. Ooh. Something, 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 DuckTales. Did you know ducks are necrophiles? That's duck science.
He's our hero, gonna take pollution down to zero. He's our hero,
Gonna take pollution down to zero. It's Captain Planet.
fire, wind, water, heart, go planet.
I don't think I'm old enough for your cartoons.
You fake a stomach cramp, and when you're bent over, moaning and wailing, you lick your palms. It's a little childish and stupid, but then so is high school.
Ferris Bueller.
Nailed it.
Yeah. It's my mom's favorite movie.
You fake a stomach cramp, and when you're bent over, moaning and wailing, you lick your palms. It's a little childish and stupid, but then so is high school.
We can't go, dude. Sorry.
Holy crap. What happened?
You got pink eye? We can't go, dude. Sorry.
Holy crap. What happened?
You got pink eye?
I'm gonna go with Pineapple Express.
We can't go, dude. Sorry.
Holy crap. What happened?
You got pink eye?
If peeing your pants is cool, consider me Miles Davis. If peeing your pants is cool,
And consider me Miles Davis.
If peeing your pants is cool, consider me Miles Davis.
I have no idea.
Do you want a hint?
Okay.
That character is... They just picked up a hitchhiker, and he asked the hitchhiker, do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
The way that I met her was on tour at that concert. She had long hair and a short miniskirt. I just got on stage dripping, pouring with sweat. I was walking through the crowd, and guess who I met? I whispered in her ear, come to the picture booth so I can ask you some questions to see if you're 100 proof. The way that I met her was on tour at that concert. She had long hair
And a short mini skirt.
I just got on stage.
Biz Markie, say she's just a friend or just a friend? Yeah. You got what I need, but you say she's just a friend, but you say he's just a friend. Oh baby, you got what I need. Worst teeth ever.
In that video, he's dressed like Amadeus, isn't he? He has like a weird like white wig and stuff.
You got what I need, but you say he just a friend, and you say he just a friend. Oh, baby!
Anytime I need to see your face, I just close my eyes and I am taken to a place where your crystal mind and magenta feeling take a shelter in the base of my spine, straight like a chicken cherry cola. Anytime I need to see your face, I just close my eyes and I am taken to a place where your crystal mind and magenta feeling take a shelter in the base of my spine, straight like a chicken cherry cola. Ooh, I want you, I don't know if I need, but ooh, I'm just finding.
Savage Garden, Cherry Cola.
Yeah, that's good enough. It's I Want You.
Whatever.
That's good enough.
You type in Cherry Cola. You're gonna find that song.
I gave you the point.